Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about the rich history and architectural marvel of one of the most significant temples in India, the Lepakshi Temple. Located in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, this temple is a true gem, combining mythology, history, and architectural excellence into one extraordinary site. The Lepakshi Temple, also known as the Virbhadra Temple, is dedicated to Lord Virbhadra, a fierce and powerful form of Lord Shiva. The temple is situated on a hill called the Lepakshi Hill in the village of Lepakshi, and it is known for its beautiful sculptures, intricate paintings, and its connection to one of the most fascinating stories in Hindu mythology. The temple's story is deeply rooted in the legend of Ravana, the demon king from the epic Ramayana. According to the myth, Ravana was carrying the Atmalinga, a sacred object, when Lord Shiva cursed him, causing him to drop the Atmalinga at the site where the temple now stands. The name, Lepakshi, itself is derived from the Telugu words Lepa, meaning to rise, and Akshi, meaning eye, referring to the mythical story of Jatayu, the eagle, who fell here after attempting to rescue Sita from Ravana's clutches. The name symbolized the moment when Jatayu's body was laid out and his wings raised, hence the name Lepakshi. What makes this temple so special is not just the mythology, but its architectural and artistic brilliance. The temple is a wonderful example of Vijayanagara architecture, and its frescoes are among the most exquisite in the region. The murals that adorn the walls of the temple depict scenes from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and other Hindu scriptures. The ceiling is painted with vibrant depictions of deities, dancers, and celestial beings that add a mystical atmosphere to the structure. One of the most striking features of the temple is the massive, hanging pillar. It is one of the 70 pillars in the temple, and what makes it so fascinating is that it is said to be hanging slightly off the ground, supported by no visible means. It is one of the greatest mysteries of the temple, and many visitors marvel at the engineering ingenuity behind it. Another highlight is the colossal sculpture of Virbhadra himself, which stands tall in the temple complex. This 10-foot-tall idol is a testament to the grandeur and magnificence of the Vijayanagara Empire, which commissioned the temple's construction. But the most awe-inspiring feature of the temple is its untouched, yet profoundly rich cultural significance. The Lepakshi temple continues to stand as a symbol of devotion, history, and artistic achievement. Visitors come from all over the world to witness not only its grandeur but to experience the spiritual energy that radiates from every inch of its walls, pillars, and ceilings. In conclusion, the Lepakshi temple is not just a place of worship, it is an epitome of India's cultural, religious, and architectural heritage. Thank you.